Hi, hello. Welcome again to the official YouTube channel of the new intelligent design. You know, maybe some of you doesn't know, I love to write and publish books, science books. And as you can see in the screen, I have science books, science ebook in Amazon. And you can see here the screen. And also, I have an ebooks, published science ebook in Smash Words. So the reason why I before I don't normally write many things, but after I discovered intelligence, and I thought to myself that I had to document and record and write and publish all my scientific discovery and explanation and description of what I've discovered. Some of them I send them to science journal. Some of them I give them for free. I wrote free science article, but most of them I wrote science books, ebooks, to document, to record, and to show to the world that they could read that publicly about the new discovery about the new intelligent design. Okay, so this video that I'm making is I would like to share to you how I make, how I create, how I make my own science ebook. And probably you can get some information on how do I make it, and because there are many ways to make to write, to make or to create ebooks and to be published for Amazon. But this video that I'm uploading and showing to you is that I would like you to learn some ideas or trick or hints on how to publish your science ebook. Not actually science, probably your favorite topic or anything that you would like to write and to share to the world and publish and something like that. So this video is how to create or to make an ebooks to be published for Amazon. But this video, we are going to concentrate only for the cover page, because if you have for me, okay, I have many science ebooks that I'm showing you in my screen right now. And last week I just finished the one of my ebooks, science ebook about the scientific arguments of the new intelligent design, and I wrote that and I published that. So I want you to have an idea how I did it. But today I would like to share to you how to make a cover page for Amazon that you are going to use in your ebooks when whatever topic you would like to do. Okay? In Amazon, when you publish your ebooks in Amazon, you must have a cover page. And because if you don't have cover page, people are not going to see your books, and people will not going to, maybe we will be confused. So if you are going to go to the Amazon page, especially the Kindle, okay? If you will be searching that, Amazon has a requirements to those authors who would like to make and create ebooks and cover page for the ebooks. So today is for the cover page of the ebook, okay? So the first requirement that the Amazon is asking those authors to make a cover page, that your cover page, your picture or whatever it does, your image must be in a TIFF and JPEG format. So in other words, there are only two image file, image format that you must do so that you can use your image, your cover page for your ebooks, whatever that. Okay. Second, dimension. Okay. So assuming that this paper is dimension, this is the width, this is the length, the height, the height. This is the width. Okay. So if you are going to make your cover page, cover image for the Amazon, for your ebook, the size will be, the dimension will be the height, okay? The height must be 2560 pixels, okay? And the width, okay, must be 1600 pixels. So this must be the size of your image whenever you would like to use pictures or cover page for your Amazon ebooks. Okay, the best size according to them is excuse me, the best size is 2500 pixel. Sorry, for for Amazon, for for the height, for the width is 1600 pixel. Okay, so it's getting cooler here in my place, and the size of the file is less than 550 megabytes. And to solve this problem about the image, in cover page, you can, there are many applications, software, and image that you could find and search free in the whole internet. But for me, whenever I make and create a science ebook, I always use PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. So today I'm going to show you how I use PowerPoint in making an image. Whenever I make an image through PowerPoint, I always see to it that I have always two design, one design and two design, or three or more design. At least you have two design, so that you could choose which one is A, which one is better. You can ask your friend which one is good design, A or B, or something like that. If you could do that. So if you are going to now in this screen, I am showing you PowerPoint. So in the PowerPoint, you must first use a blank document, okay, and it must be like this, okay. This one is the height and the width, okay. So after that, you are going to change the size of your document, of the presentation. You are going to change it. You are going, as I'm showing you in the screen, the size may be like that, okay. So it must be like this. And the reason why I know this, because I always use this in many of my science ebook. This is the size that you must use in your PowerPoint, so that you can make your own cover page, okay. And after you finalize this the size of your PowerPoint presentation, all you have to do is to make a design of your, you make a design. You can copy a picture or image from the internet, or you can use the PowerPoint to design the wordings, the title, the author's name, whatever that you would like to do in your design page. So normally, I look for a free image in the internet, and then I put in the Microsoft Point, and then I design it. I told you, you must have always two design for reference, so that you will know which one is good, which one is better, which one is not, okay. So after you had already finalized, okay, your design in PowerPoint, first you need to save that PowerPoint presentation as a PowerPoint. Okay, first, you must save that PowerPoint presentation as PowerPoint. Second, after you save that PowerPoint as a PowerPoint, now you are going to save it again, the same PowerPoint presentation, as an image. So as I'm showing you in the screen, you are going to choose right now the TIFF. TIFF. When you try to save file. A while ago, you saved the file as PowerPoint. Now you save that file as an image. So, and you change the name of the you can change the name of the image file. It's okay for you. It's okay. But remember the place where you saved it, because you are going to need that when you upload that to Amazon in the Kindle, when you upload your ebooks together with your ebooks. Okay. So the you don't have to resize or to change the dimension of that TIFF, that file, that image file, because I, I had already calculated that. I mean that size will going to fit into the Amazon's ebook Kindle. Okay, so after that you finish your own cover page. So the next video that I would like to share to you, or before that, if you have any question, please put your question below. And if you don't know, if you would like more about how to know about the cover page, maybe I can help you. But I always choose PowerPoint in making an ebooks, because I think PowerPoint for me is very convenient. Okay, so after these videos, I'll be uploading again another videos showing how to format, how to make your Microsoft Word to become to become um, to become a good not to be used for Amazon when you upload your science, or not science, your ebook to the Amazon, whatever topic it is. Okay. So thank you for coming here. So if you have any question, clarification, and how to make an ebooks, please put your links. Especially if you're a scientist. If you read one of my books, and then you think to yourself, but no, the explanation is wrong, the discovery is wrong. All you have to do is write your rebuttal in a book, because you can do it. It's so easy to make an ebook. And give me the link so that I will know if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Because basically, I think I am right. Because if I'm wrong, I'm not going to write an ebooks. I'm not going to publish any science article, because it would be stupidity for me if I'm going to write science ebooks if I am wrong. It would be stupid. Okay. So thank you for coming here, and I hope that you learn something, because I will be uploading many more videos, and I will be showing you more of my books and how I do them. And I hope you will get an idea on how to make your ebook, so that if you have an idea, especially in science or in sport or your favorite topic, you can write your own your own ebook. Okay. Thank you, and again, see you again for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you think that you like my videos. Thank you, and see you again.